Hello everyone and welcome back to another screencast. This one's on algebra, multiplying and expanding double brackets. So we've done already, or you should have done already, multiplying out of a single bracket, and this is where we have brackets back to back. So no space in between, back to back. What do we do? Expanding a bracket means to multiply each term in the bracket by the expression outside the bracket. This is for normal. Yeah, for normal ones, we would times all those items inside by the number outside. When we have them back to back, okay, it's about timesing everything inside this bracket by the numbers inside this bracket, or the letters inside this bracket. So we're going to go over that now, but do not worry, it really is nice and straightforward as long as we take it one step at a time. So the first question we have is a plus 2 in brackets with a plus 5 in brackets. And very simply, we're going to times everything in this bracket by the letters or items in the bracket before it. So let's start with the first one. We've got a timesing by a, that should give us a squared, and then a timesing by 5, which should give us 5a. So let's write that down now. Then we're going to go and we're going to say 2 timesing by a gives us 2a, and 2 timesing by 5 gives us 10. So 2a plus 10. Then we're going to collect the like terms. So we can see there that we've got 5 apples plus 2 apples, which gives us 7 apples. We've got a squared and we've got 10. Okay, we collect all the like terms and we should get a squared plus 7a plus 10. Let's go and have a look at the next one over here. So we've got b plus 2 in brackets and b plus 5 in brackets. Very similar, isn't it? We're going to go b timesing by b, which gives us b squared, and b timesing by 5 to give us 5b. Then for the next ones, we've got 2 timesing by b, which gives us 2b, and 2 timesing by 5 gives us 10. Hopefully that makes sense to you. We add the like terms and we end up with b squared plus 7b plus 10. Okay, so now I'm going to give you a little go at these ones. So give them a go, come back and see if you've got it correct. Alright, so first up we had a times a gives us a squared, and a times 5 gives us 5a. So we've got a squared there plus 5a. Next up we had 4 times a gives us 4a, and 4 times 5 gives us 20. So hopefully you got that right, and then we're going to add the like terms and we'll end up with a squared plus 9a plus 20. Alright, so again I'm going to pop up some questions for you here and give it a go and see if you've got it right. Just remember that's a negative there, so it's a minus 3. So just a little helping hand there. When you got minus 3 times b, it would be minus 3b. When you got minus 3 times 5, you've got minus 15. But do the rest yourself. Come back and see if you've got it correct. So first up, we've got b times b, which should give us b squared, and b times 5 gives us 5b. Next up, we've got minus 3 timesing by b gives us minus 3b, and minus 3 timesing by 5 gives us minus 15. We're going to add those like terms now. So I've got like terms being 5b minus 3b is going to give us 2b. So put them down there, make it as small as you can, collecting those like terms, and that's as far as you can go. Hopefully you've done those really well, and now it's time for the quiz. I'm sure you'll be absolutely fantastic in these. Give them all a go and come back if you see them, if you can see that they're right. There's 2 negatives over here. That's something that we haven't covered yet, but I'm sure you'll be fine. Just remember 2 negatives equals a positive. But give it a go, come back and see if you've got them right. Hopefully you've had some time to do that. Here goes the answers. And there we go. So if you've got any of those incorrect, then please just go back and try and follow your working along with mine. You can see everything I've done, spot where you have gone wrong and where you need to correct it. And if I've got it wrong, let me know, of course. Often get things wrong, that's for sure. make sure you definitely write a revision card on this to give you nice and focused and up-to-date thoughts. As I've said before, do something today that your future self is going to thank you for. But until next time, it's been an absolute pleasure.